Flies can be a real nuisance, especially when they hover around food. Here are the top 5 ways to keep them away. 1. Cover the food. Use mesh, food covers, lids, or plastic wrap to keep flies from landing on the food. Store leftovers in sealed containers. 2. Keep the area clean. Wipe down surfaces regularly to remove food residue and spills. Dispose of garbage properly and keep trash bins covered. Clean up crumbs and food scraps immediately. 3. Use natural fly repellents. Lemon and cloves. Stick cloves into a lemon and place it near the food. Essential oils, peppermint, eucalyptus, or citronella oils deter flies when used in diffusers or sprays. 4. Set up fans. Flies are weak flyers, so using an oscillating fan near food areas makes it harder for them to land. 5. Use fly traps or screens. Install window screens or door screens to prevent flies from entering. Use sticky fly traps or UV light traps to catch them. If you like these tips, make sure to hit the notification bell to see new videos we upload.